Okay, today we're making artisan bread, and it's very, very easy. All I did was take 3 cups of the all-purpose flour, a little package of yeast, a teaspoon of salt, a cup and a half of warm water, and I stirred it up and I put it in this bowl. Now I'm going to cover it with saran wrap and I'm going to leave it overnight, and then tomorrow we'll be baking it, so check back later. Okay, here's my artisan bread. This is what it looks like after um, rising all night. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll that out on a floured surface and form a ball. And over here, I have made my tent. Now, I fold a tent to go around. The reason I did that is the last time I did this, I waited until this pan got hot. So my advice is make your tent while the pan is still cool. So what you do is you put it in the oven at 400 degrees and get that pan hot while you're rolling out your dough a little bit. And then once it's hot, then you spray it with Pam and put the bread in there and put the tent on. So I will be showing you how that works momentarily. Okay, here's the ball I've made. As you can see, it all came out of the bowl. So what I've done is I've made a ball on a floured surface, and I'm letting it rest a little bit. It says to rest about 30 minutes. I have my oven at 450 degrees, and I've got my pan in there heating up. So once my pan gets good and hot, then I'll spray it with some Pam so that it won't let the bread stick, and I will be slicing the top of this bread with an X, and then we'll be putting it in there and we'll be cooking. So far so good. Okay, I've got the bread in my pan, marked an X, and now I'm going to put the tent on and put it back in the oven. Okay, I'm pulling the tent. Oh, it's looking good. So now we'll put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. Okay, here it is, out of the oven. Doesn't that look good? And see, it's got a nice hard crust. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna let it cool. It's looking good. Well, the bread is wonderful. I highly recommend it.